Thanks, Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey. One of the tasks we're supposed to do on a regular basis is clean out this drainage hose from the bow cabin air conditioner, which is in there. The drain goes through that wall and then down outside the boat. That's our access to it. Bill's getting access to that drainage line now, and he's going to scrub it out with his little pipe cleaner. Do you think there's a kink in it or something?
No, it was a big blob of gunk.
No.
Here, there it is. See it?
Yeah, okay.
I mean, stuff just grows in it.
Did you scrub it?
Yeah. That's when, I scrubbed it once.
Let me see the scrubber. So, do you think if the drainage hose was bigger?
Yeah, that would have helped.
He scrubbed it out, and now he's putting it all back together.
One of the things I hate is when we turn the big vacuum on, it heats up the air. So we're going to route its exhaust since we moved it to the port bathroom, which is right next to the wet locker here. We have a couple vent hole areas, so we're going to run the line into one of these vent holes. We had plastic covering over that so that rain and stuff couldn't come in. There's a shield on it too.
Well, is rain going to come into the vacuum?
No.
Oh.
I mean, a little bit of, it might get a trickle or something, but
Okay.
I mean, the hose is going to be going up above this top part. We'll probably just zip tie it to this.
I'm going to go get the knife.
Razor knife, yeah.
Okay. Or you'll have it all done by the time I get back.
Well,
okay, watch your
I
legs.
got foam to cut too, so.
That's access to the wet locker.
There is the vacuum. We'd also brought a coupler, I thought. But will it go into the back end? I'm not worried about it going into another hose.
Oh.
Okay, but put the long one on. Let's see if the long one will reach to start with. Okay, this is the hole where it was. Okay, so now we're zip tying the hose up here so that it doesn't fall down and doesn't interfere with our pressure washer. Cool. Okay. Other than being noisy, it works well. Doesn't it look so much better? And now we have the remote, so you can do that.
Got some place to hang that remote in here?
Set it up in here.
Okay. What you doing, honey?
We are finally installing our flagpole, and I'm putting the screw holes in for the base. So that guy goes right there, and then obviously the flagpole comes up out of the top. We have to get all the way up to 1/4 inch wide holes, so that takes lots of drilling with steel. It'd be so much easier if it was fiberglass. Then all you have to do is drill the fiberglass, and reseal the hole, and with a core. And
What are you on now?
I think 9/64, about halfway there.
There's a small school of fish swimming around up there. Tiny fish trying to eat and not get eaten. Okay, I'm gonna go look for some more 316.
Well, actually, I want the vacuum.
Oh, vacuum. Okay, I'll be back later.
Okay. The first coat of rust grip on. I'll put it on top too. Seal it within the bracket.
Second coat.
Yeah, second coat. Paint saver. It's supposed to put the layer of, I think it's argon, over the top of the polyurethane type paints and keep them from skimming up.
The lid has to be on there really good too.
Yeah.
We're gonna let that dry and then we can mount the pole.
We got the flagpole base in, and now we will put the pole in. Woohoo! Finally got a flag. Later.
Ooh, looks like the storm's coming. It's also king tide and the water is really high. I'm going to show you over here. We're right next to the seawall. That's the highest I've ever seen it. Those blue bumpers are usually fully out of the water.
Hit the button. Hit the button.
Leave your comments below and smash that subscribe button.